Hey car lovers, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. Today we're diving into a game changer, the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry. Sleek design, hybrid power, tech upgrades. This isn't just a facelift, it's a whole new chapter in the Camry legacy. Let's take a ride into the future of sedans. First things first, let's talk design. Toyota didn't just tweak a few lines here and there. The 2025 Camry has undergone a full transformation, and it looks stunning. From the aggressive new front grille that gives it a sporty, Lexus-inspired vibe, to the sharp LED headlights that stretch confidently across the face, this Camry demands attention. Walk around it and you'll see the sleek fastback silhouette that blends elegance with aerodynamic function. Whether you're going for the base SE or the XSE trim, you'll notice Toyota's use of bolder character lines, 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels, and even available black accents for that extra flair. Honestly, this doesn't look like your dad's Camry anymore. This looks like something out of a sports sedan segment. Step inside the 2025 Camry, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more premium, more futuristic, and more driver-focused. The first thing that catches your eye? The 12.3-inch floating touchscreen that sits beautifully atop the dashboard, standard in most trims. Toyota has fully integrated its latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, you finally get wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and available JBL premium audio to bring your playlist to life. But it's not just about tech. The seats are more supportive, with available leather trim, heated and ventilated functions, and ample rear legroom for passengers. Toyota also refined the cabin insulation, making this the quietest Camry ever, perfect for long drives or urban commutes. Here's where things get really interesting. The 2025 Camry is now exclusively hybrid. That's right, no more gas-only versions. Toyota is all in on electrification, and the result is both eco-friendly and exciting to drive. The Camry now features Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system paired with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The base front-wheel drive model offers 225 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive variants bump it up to 232 horsepower, making this the most powerful hybrid Camry yet. And guess what? Even with all that power, it delivers an estimated 50-plus mpg combined. You get the punch of a gas engine with the fuel-saving smarts of a hybrid. The acceleration is smooth, throttle response is improved, and the ride? Well, it's as refined as you'd expect from a car in a much higher price bracket. When it comes to safety, Toyota isn't taking any shortcuts. The 2025 Camry comes standard with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite. That includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, and more. There's even an available panoramic view monitor, blind spot monitor, and rear cross-traffic alert, making it easier and safer to drive in busy city streets or tight parking spaces. Toyota's also added over-the-air OTA updates, meaning your Camry keeps getting better over time, just like your phone. Toyota gives you plenty of choices too. The 2025 Camry comes in LE, SE, XLE, and XSE trims, each with its own personality. Want something sporty? Go for the XSE with its bold design elements and sport-tuned suspension. Prefer luxury and comfort? The XLE has wood-style trim, plush materials, and a more refined driving experience. You can even choose between front-wheel drive or electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, depending on your climate and driving habits. No matter the trim, the Camry delivers more value than ever before. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Toyota Camry starts around $28,000 USD for the LE hybrid and goes up to just under $36,000 for the fully loaded XSE AWD. Still a bargain considering all the premium features packed into this car. So, who is this car for? If you're looking for a reliable daily driver that feels upscale, saves you money on gas, and turns heads at the stoplight, the 2025 Camry might just be the smartest choice on the road today. Toyota has taken a bold step by going all hybrid, and they nailed it. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Camry. What do you think? Is this the best Camry ever made? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Until next time, keep driving, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.